Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, May 19th, 2023. It's 11:42 and 56 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, Saturn's rings. So let's hop to it here. New study puts a definitive age on Saturn's rings. They are really young. Date May 12th, 2023. Source: University of Colorado. As physicists measure the flux of interplanetary dust around Saturn, the researchers concluded that the planet's rings formed less than 400 million years ago, making them much younger than Saturn itself. The researchers arrived at that closure by studying what might seem like an unusual subject dust, tiny grains of rocky material, washed through Earth's solar system on an almost constant basis. In some cases, the flux can leave behind a thin layer of dust on planetary bodies, including on the ice that makes up Saturn's rings. In the new study, researchers set out to put a date on Saturn's rings by studying how rapidly this layer of dust builds up, a bit like telling how old a house is by running your finger along its surfaces. You think about the rings like a carpet in your house. If you have a clean carpet laid out, you just have to wait. Dust will settle on your carpet. The same is true for the rings. The scientific investigators set out aboard Cassini spacecraft to analyze specks of dust flying around Saturn. Over those 13 years, the researchers collected just 163 grains that had originated from beyond the planet's close neighborhood, but it was enough. Based on their calculations, Saturn's rings have likely been gathering dust for only a few 100 million years. The planet's rings, in other words, are a new phenomenon, arising and potentially disappearing in what amounts to a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. We know approximately how old the rings are, but it doesn't solve any of our problems. We still don't know how these rings formed in the first place. Researchers have been captivated by these seemingly translucent rings for more than 400 years. In 1610, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei first observed the features through a telescope, although he didn't know what they were. Galileo's original drawings make the rings look a bit like handles on a water jug. In the 1800s, Maxwell, a scientist from Scotland, concluded that Saturn's rings couldn't be solid but were, instead, made up of many individual pieces. As today's scientists know that Saturn's hosts 7 rings comprised of countless chunks of ice, most no bigger than a boulder on Earth. Altogether, this ice weighs about half as much as Saturn's moon, Mimas, and stretches nearly 175,000 miles from the planet's surface. Researchers added that for most of the 20th century, scientists assumed that the rings likely formed at the same time as Saturn, but that idea raised a few issues, namely Saturn's rings are sparkling clean. Observations suggest that these features are made up of roughly 98% pure water ice by volume, with only a tiny amount of rocky matter. It is almost impossible to end up with something so clean. The Cassini offered an opportunity to put a definitive age on Saturn's rings. The spacecraft first arrived at Saturn in 2004 and collected data until it purposely crashed into the planet's atmosphere in 2017. The cosmic dust analyzer, which was shaped a bit like a bucket, scooped up small particles as they whizzled by. Engineers and scientists designed and built a much more sophisticated dust analyzer for NASA's upcoming Europe Clipper mission, which is scheduled to launch in 2024. The team estimated that this interplanetary grim would contribute far less to a gram of dust to each square foot of Saturn's rings every year, a light sprinkle, but enough to add up over time. Previous studies had also suggested that the rings could be young, but didn't include definitive measures of dust accumulation. The rings might already be vanishing. In a previous study, NASA scientists reported that the ice is slowly raining down onto the planet and could disappear entirely in another 100 million years. And that these ephemeral features existed at a time when Galileo and the Cassini spacecraft could observe them seems almost too good to be true. And it begs for an explanation for how the rings formed in the first place. Some scientists, for example, have posited that Saturn's rings may have formed one of the planets gravity tore apart one of its moons. If the rings are short-lived and dynamical, why are we seeing them now? It is too much luck. And this is a professor, astrophysicist, on advanced mathematics, computer science, and laser of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.